check out the falls. Yeah, Alex, you look. Oh, what? Is that a rock? Okay, people, check this out. Oh, that's right, the falls. I'm going in, yeah. Hey, tell my wife how much I love her, okay? Ah, I'm okay. One, hold on. I'm doing it, what? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was close. All right, I'm going down. Hey, don't talk to me. I'm trying to work some courage and go down. Oh, this is slippery. Yeah. Oh! Oh, dear Lord. I'm okay. Yes, Lasse, come on. I got you, man, I got you. Oh, maybe not. All right, Lasse. Oh, man. Are you okay? Oh. Man. This is amazing. Oh. That was good. Ow. The rocks got me. Yeah, I think I cut myself. I've been cutting myself for quite a while now. Are you going down? Can I film you from down there? Yeah? What? No way, he didn't. Oh. Alex, how you going?
Have you seen anyone do it front first yet?
Oh, no. Are you sure you want to do that?
No, but I'm pretty careful what
It's a very bad idea.
I'm pretty careful what my kids to show you if it's possible. I guess it's just a chance to hit your head.
Yeah, the chances are quite hard because it moves you sideways.
Yeah, if you had it.
Come on, oh no, you're crazy! Well, that's... We found it. It's okay. Ow, my knee. Alex, I'm never filming you again.
Hey, $5 AliExpress.
Thank you. I'll get that.
And
oh, that's easy to get. Oh, that's brilliant. I should get one of those. Ow. I'll be very careful. Yeah. Are you going? Oh, sorry. Yeah. You knocked it off my hand. No, sorry. Do it again. Are you ready? I got you. Yeah. Last are you going again? Oh, man. Almost lost my GoPro. Thanks to a kind man. Found it. Whoa! What the heck? Oh, that's brilliant. Alex, you're crazy. Oh. That was awesome. Never again. Never again. I did last time. I got your one. I missed your one. Are you doing it? Whoa! Hey, Oscar, are you doing it? Oh, these guys are crazy. Hold on, I'm coming. Wait. This is going to be silly. Wait. No, that's a bad idea. Are you serious? All right, come on, let's go. You guys are insane. What the? You boys, I can never take you anywhere. Literally. Can never take you anywhere. Alright, come on then. Are you ready? I got yours. Come on, let's go. Come on. Yeah. Oh.
better.
Nice. No. Don't look at them. They're crazy. Oh. They're just crazy. Don't do front. You will knock your head open. Where's Emmanuel? Are you going? Oh, sorry. Emmanuel, are you going? Oh, look at, whoa, almost hit there. Are you alright there? Yeah, I think I've scratched and broken a lot of things. I'm ready. Come on, let's do it. Whoa, careful, Emmanuel. Are you alright? I know, me too, I hurt myself as well. Are you alright? Does it hurt? Yeah. The water makes it worse. Ah, yeah, my shin. I've hurt my shin many times. Ready? Get it over with. No? Alright. You go later. What, I was still filming, yes. We'll capture what happens. Yeah, I captured everything, including when you fell in the water. Emmanuel, be careful there. Come on, go do it. Yeah. Does it hurt? Just do it once and for all, and then go and... Yeah, we can go down there. Oh, man. Awesome. Emmanuel, you coming? Alright. Alright, Emmanuel. Be careful. Go on your bum. On your bum. Slide on your bum. Yeah, go, go. Oh, sorry. Alright. You can do it. You can do it. Just sit down. Alex, don't do that. There you go. There you go. Ah! How's that? Is it cold? Yeah, cold? Oh. Enough with that splashing. Lawson, you going again? Let's go look at it. You come up. Will I get you up? Hold on. Yeah. You can jump up. You have to shave? Yeah. Let me see. Oh, look at that. It's okay.